But I'm gonna get you a dad, though. You want a daddy? You want a dad?
It's cold. She's trying to roodle in, and I've been making it tough on her because she's pregnant. Ouch.
¿Por qué sos tan brava? ¿Y por qué carajo andas un machete?
By the time I get back, I can always leave, and I'm taking it.
You want broccoli? Broccoli.
Benji. Benji. Hey.
You should have called me. I mean, why didn't you call?
Cut the hour and a half, please, to the half hour.
Well, of course. Just getting ready earlier.
No se ande atravesando la calle, no, míreme. No se ande atravesando la calle porque me la voy a chingar.
No. No. No.
Are you complaining to me about something?
Oh no. Oh no.
No. Reload.
Hunt underage, potentially trafficked girls.
Okay, well, listen, I appreciate the efforts that you making it all over the world.
Oh, small fellow. No, you go straight on, mate. You go straight on.
Don't huff and puff at me.
Jay, thank you very much.
You couldn't. How you gonna fucking yell at me and you pissed on me?
I love you.
Hello. I'm home.
Oh my god.
I can't help you at the moment, dude. I'm a little indisposed.
Really? You come into my room? What about the pee and the poop on the floor?
You look just like your mama. Oh, mama.
Oh, Missy! Oh my god! Alex, are you okay?
Oh, you're cold. You're cold. Let's go. Let's go. Will you be my Valentine? I can't. What has he done?
The hair we collected from you over 9 months is what made up this part of this baby.
He's right here next to me.
Did you just wake up from your nap?
Go to grandma's later? Yeah? You wanna go to grandma's?
The big palm tree? It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't hit me with a pup, right?
Izzy, just bite it. Gentle.
Oh, you fucking idiot.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Dude, he just came. I was sitting like this. He came through my leg up on top of me.
Oh!
Arrow, wake up. Arrow. 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 You scaring the out of me. Wake up.
One thing they don't tell you about owning a German Shepherd is that they are very good at throwing things with their mouth. Yep.
Take a little bite.
Oh, my lips just get stuck in my teeth.
Right now, kittens are £50 per person.
No bite.
How many got in there, Wilson? Oh my goodness! Nice job!
It is your fault. No, it's your fault. You're feeding him too much.
Hill. Treat. Treat.
I'm peeing. Just wait. I'll be there in a second.
It's been a minute, but he back at it.